In this video, I'll show you how to dub videos into multiple languages using ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and log in to your account. Go to the dubbing or video translation feature available in your workspace. Before uploading your video, make sure you have the necessary rights and permissions to use the content. Now upload the video and select the original language. Next, choose the languages you want to create for your dubbed versions. ElevenLabs can process the original speech and generate translated voiceovers for the selected languages. After processing, review each language carefully. Check pronunciation, translation accuracy, names, numbers, and the overall meaning of the dialogue. If editing is available, make any necessary corrections before generating the final versions. It's also important to listen to the timing and synchronization. A good dub should feel natural and should match the pacing of the original video as closely as possible. Repeat the review process for every language you create. Once everything looks and sounds correct, export the individual dubbed versions using the available options. And that's how you can use ElevenLabs to create multilingual video dubs and make your content accessible to audiences in different languages.
My voice guide you through tales of soft romance and intimate moments that make your heart feel full.